What is up, everyone? So today is a very exciting day. As you can tell by the video title, I got my mom another drift car. So I was actually planning on doing this like in a couple weeks, but I'm leaving for Florida on Thursday, and well, I don't want to miss this opportunity before I leave. So my mom loves drifting. She's been going to like every event for like the last 3 years, and last season she really wanted to be a part of it, so I got her her very own drift car. Did a couple events at the end of the season. Me and Aunt had to go all the way through it and realize that the car, Aunt hates it. Aunt hates the thing. It's crusty. It needs a lot, and it's not that it's not worth it. It's just we haven't had time to touch it, and I really think my mom deserves something a little bit nicer. When I was in Florida last time, Duarte, Adam LZ's partner at Drift HQ, well, he was talking nice. And he was telling me about a car he was thinking about selling, and well, it checked all the right boxes, and well, I bought it. It shows up in just a minute, and I'm very excited to show you guys, and we'll talk about it after we show you, but for now, check this thing out. What do you think?
I like it. Who's this for?
My mom.
Hell yeah.
Of course, it's gotta be the first one on the trailer. It looks awesome up there.
Did I get the forklift? Would that be easier?
Dang, what a fun surprise today.
Yeah, I was not expecting this whatsoever.
Oh, man, I feel bad for this guy.
I feel really bad for him.
This looks insane.
Picture getting your S13 coupe up there. The JZ coupe would get up that?
No world.
Look at that.
Look how high up this guy is.
I mean the center.
You want to up or down?
Big Jim climbing up there. Oh God. James, aren't they in the center? I'll whip that bitch.
So sketchy. It's definitely a song and dance trying to get these things down because all these decks move in so many different ways. You got to really orchestrate it. I'll tell you what, I give props to all my guys out there that do this for a living. You guys are gangsters is the term for sure. This is a hustle and it's stressful. Well, no casualties, that's good. Oaks Garage Damage Prevention Team wins again. Oh man, it's officially here. All right, let's get off the iPhone and actually film some stuff about this thing because this is exciting stuff.
Yeah, let's grab your camera.
There it is. Dude, this thing's sick. I kind of want to do that again, that was fun.
No, we're gonna the floor up.
All right, let's check this thing out. So here it is. This is my mom's new Z3, once again. So this one's a little different, as you could tell. Not only just the color, but a few things about it. So what makes this car awesome is, one, it's clean, right? It's a drift car, so I know some people are like, oh, it doesn't matter, drift car. But
Not even clean in that way.
but it's not even clean, exactly, not even clean in that way. Underneath, this car's beautiful. That car, it's been its whole life in the Northeast. It's pretty crusty, and it's not like it's unsavable, but this just gives us a platform that when we work on it, we're not having a miserable time. So beyond that, I mean, I love the fact that it's black. That's what I'm worried about. I'm worried my mom is gonna miss the purple, but I think the fact that we'll have like all black drift cars together is pretty. I think she's gonna love that when she sees my E30 and her Z3 next to each other.
I think the black suits are better, honestly.
You can match black with anything
With
too.
anything, we can give her own livery, or whatever. But okay, so there's.
What was that? Black's gonna look hot with the cheetah print. Better
Exactly.
than purple.
So we'll put our cheetah print seats in it. So okay, so here's the thing. I'm so bad at like these like reveal videos, right? Because I just want to say so much at once. But as you guys can tell, this thing's already modded, which is really nice. So this basically has every drift mod you'll ever need to do already done to it, and so my mom could hop in and go and ready.
She can just do the cosmetics.
So she could just focus on making it look the way she wants it to look and just drive. And that is fantastic. So this one's an 02, right? Hers is, I think, a 98 E46 base, where it actually has an E46 engine in it, where that one actually has her purple one has an E36 engine in it. So we have BMW Style 5 wheels, which are pretty hot. I'm impressed that it came on these wheels because you can tell these were freshly redone. These aren't fake, these are actually real, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I hope she likes these. If not, I'm stealing these things. Coilovers, angle mods, I mean, it has everything.
Welded diff
already, which is super
bushings,
nice. Bushings, hydro, I mean, there's a lot to talk about, but we'll just show you guys. So my mom's been like really hounding me lately about working on her car because she knows the drift season is really soon. So I know she's gonna be really relieved, at least at the fact that she'll have a car ready to drive. So as you guys can tell, it has a welded in roll bar already, which is really nice because this is something I really wanted for her purple car. It just makes me feel better about it. And well, this one is fabricated already instead of kind of buying a bolt-in one. So this saves a lot of time, money, and honestly looks a lot nicer. So besides that, we have energy seats already in it. She'll probably want to swap these out for her cheetah seats, but we already have a hydro in here, which is really nice. Already has a chassis mount shifter in it. LZ steering wheel with the quick release. You know what it has for angle mods? Let's check it out.
Oh wow.
Dude, oh my god, look how much angle this thing has. So it has a full bolt-on angle kit. You see it right here on the knuckle here?
Yep.
Yeah, right there. So clearly it has angle mods to it because it's got a bunch of angle right now. So that'll help mom learn a little bit because now she'll
make it a little easier.
Exactly. She'll have some room for error and won't get as frustrated, which is really nice. So a couple of things we want to do to clean it up, like do the headlights and stuff, and we'll probably put a sticker on the door and do all that. But for now, I just hope she likes it, dude. I really hope she likes it. It's out of work in a couple hours. She's gonna head down here. She has no idea, and well, we're gonna make her do donuts in the lot. I don't think we can do it today. See what she thinks. Steve, what do you think of it?
I think it's dope, man. I'm super stoked for her to get in it. I think it does go with the other black drift cars that you have. This is some more gangster setup than what she had.
Yep.
Patty, congratulations.
If we can get these headlights looking a little bit crispier, it'll clean the whole car up.
Yeah, I can give it a shot. I got the little one.
To make this thing look juicy.
Juice them up.
About to juice them out. Is this thing? Yeah, it's good enough.
Put the soul glow on it. Just let your soul.
There we go. Look at that. Real juicy.
OJ the Juice Man made the trap. Hey!
This thing's looking juicy. Whole brick okay.
This is for you, Patty.
Look at that. That Florida sun be baking these handles.
You want me to just polish the car real quick?
Oh, look at it. Look at it right there. This is really, it looks like the very similar color to the Black Z, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's a good color. Damn, RJ.
I can do the whole car real fast.
You think so? You think
Yeah,
we
it
have
won't be
time?
no Black Z thing, but I could do it quick.
Clay bar party. Come on, boys. Clay bar this thing up.
Clay bar shawty. Clay bar shawty.
I don't even know what the heck I'm doing, to be honest.
We just smoothing it out. Rub it till it's smooth, baby.
Shut up. Ours looking good. Ours gonna give it a quick polish just to make it shine a little bit more, and I think we should be good to go.
I'm gonna give it the quickest buff and polish in the East.
This car is cool, dude. She's gonna fit right in at the track now. I love this thing.
What the?
A few moments later.
Patty!
What's up?
What's up, man?
Hi, everybody.
I needed you on camera today for a very important reason.
Is that right?
Follow me.
Come on,
Where's Tone at?
come on. All right, so you've been real pissed at me because I haven't worked on your Z3, right?
Well, I haven't been pissed. I've just been annoyed.
We have a solution to this, right? Really? Yeah. So,
Come on, walk with us, Mom.
Okay,
Keep going,
I'm
keep
sorry.
going.
Stuff's in my way.
I know you love your Z3,
Yeah.
but I think that you need a nicer car.
What?
So I bought you a nicer car.
No, you didn't.
Yeah. So I got you a car that's ready for the drift season. So we could just hop in and drift.
Is it turbo?
This one's not turbo.
Okay,
No,
that's okay.
yeah.
That's okay.
No, this is exactly what you need.
Does it
This
got
is-
coilovers?
It's got it all.
It does?
Yeah.
Check it out. Let's just do it.
Let's just do it. Let's just do it.
Let's just do it.
Wait a minute. Do I get to keep the Z3 still?
If you want it still. If you want it still.
You will. I don't know. I honestly don't think.
I love that car. Just bought a wing for it.
Yeah, but we
You
could.
got-
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Ready? And
Look at her.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh my
We can match. We can match.
Oh my God! Look at this. 2 seats.
Yeah, both seats, yeah.
Oh my
2 seats.
God. Wow.
All my drift cars are black.
Yes.
Now you can join the team.
Oh
Welcome.
my. Oh.
Steal, just steal this. All right, so obviously it's another Z3, right?
Oh, wait
Yep,
a minute.
okay.
I want a Nardi.
Okay, we'll put it up. We'll put your Nardi in there. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Sorry, Adam.
Wait a minute. Is this Adam's car?
This Duarte, Adam's partner at Drift HQ.
Yeah, yeah.
He built this for himself because his sons have
Yes,
Z3s.
I know who that is.
And
Yeah.
I think he realized he has way fancier drift cars, so he offered this to me for a good deal, and I couldn't say no. So
This came up from Florida?
got delivered this morning.
This morning.
And I wanted to give it to you before I left for Florida again. So yeah, that's why. Yeah.
Can I start it? Does it run?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
does,
So
it does?
hold on, but check it out, right?
Oh,
So
okay, okay.
coilovers, angle kit,
Okay.
maintenance, right?
Yep.
BBS wheels.
These are hot, Mom.
Does this have the same engine as?
So it has it's very similar, a little different. This one's newer. This is 02.
Oh
So
wow.
yeah, so this has a little bit more mod of an engine.
Okay.
So, but it's very similar.
Look what I have.
Got a hydro.
I got a hydro.
Yeah, exactly.
Shit.
And you know what's really cool too? Here, hop in it. Obviously, we could change things and make it more paddy, but
Oh
What
my
do you
God, these
think?
are more comfortable than the other seats. to
yeah,
be
yours
honest with
are
you.
smaller.
I like the black. Honestly, they were saying that you're gonna do cheetah. If you want to do it, but I like the black.
I really like the black.
Yeah, they're comfy. So it also has a chassis mount shifter, so it has like a really, like my E30.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
try it. It's like a real motorsport type of shift.
The gears are close together. I'm not.
It's a short shifter, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And a chassis mount. You'll get used to it, but it's a little sportier. Got your handbrake.
I love this.
He built this to drift with his sons, and then I think he realized that he has way fancier drift cars.
Yeah, he builds pro cars.
It is very.
So this one has black interior, as you can see,
Very
instead of the
nice.
tan, which is nice. It's a little bit more.
Patty, do you love it?
Oh my God, love it. It's beautiful. I'm like, I can't believe it. Now I have 2 cars.
The purple car, it needs one of everything. It's at that point in its life, you know what I mean? Like it
Yeah.
needs literally one of everything. And this car
Okay.
is just this is a lot cleaner car everywhere. It doesn't need one of everything.
You
It's
know what
ready
I
to go.
suggest? Sell the purple car and dump that into more cooler mods for this.
Or tires or something or other.
Something.
Okay.
Money's
well,
gonna be needed.
the thing is I waited months for that damn wing that I
Well,
really want.
guess
Can
what?
you paint that?
Yeah, we can paint it black and fits this car.
You can?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So she ordered herself her very own spoiler. She picked it out and everything, and
Yeah.
she got it
Color match.
She ordered it color match to your purple car.
I
Big
waited
part guy.
months.
It's actually a really dope wig, so we could put that on. Add the Patty touch.
Wow. This is great. Let me see the
What?
top.
The top. So your top's cleaner, so we might switch to tops.
Okay.
So this is a top-down kind of car, but
Yeah.
so this is a Florida car, so of course the top aged a little bit rougher. But the back window's ripped.
But they have the back window thing in the back, in the
Yeah,
trunk.
I think it's easier just to swap the whole top.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. Oh God. Jim, I just noticed this.
Yeah, the red door cards.
Red.
So it's cool. So now we all have black drift cars together. It'd be dope.
It will be.
Mm-hmm.
Now are you gonna get me up to speed so I can tandem with you?
And this car's a little. I think you'll have a lot easier time drifting this car with you. It's a
Yeah?
lot more predictable for sure. I did a couple in the parking lot. It felt good.
Did you really?
Oh yeah, it floats.
I wish it wasn't
It
raining.
just floats. Yeah, if it wasn't raining, I'd make her go.
Patty gonna float that bitch.
Oh my God. I really don't feel like waiting. Can I go out there?
It's raining, Patty. With
Oh,
the,
that's true
With the
now.
welded
Yeah.
diff, that'd be sketch.
We'll find a nice weekend.
Okay.
So you could like properly enjoy it.
Okay.
Better fire it up though.
Yeah, you can fire it up.
Oh,
I mean,
I
there's-
would.
I don't think it has exhaust. I think it's just nice and quiet, which is good. Fire it up.
I'm freaking blown away. It hasn't even been a year.
Yeah.
You deserve it though.
Thank
They're
you.
gonna get you right.
Oh my God.
Your son is Jimmy Oaks, damn
Look
it.
at this. This is different. Doesn't have the edges.
The rear view mirror.
Right.
I love that.
Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth.
Look at it. Look
What
at
is
it.
this? I'm gonna go somewhere, damn it. I'm going forward.
Just going back and forth with it.
She said, I want to go somewhere.
Put it on the dyno and just let her drive around.
Patty, you look like a gangster in here.
You know what?
Talk to him.
I am so excited. Like, maybe I'll just do the drift event without you. You're
Yeah.
in Florida.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe I'll just go on my own.
First drift event is in like I think a week and a half, and I'll be in Florida. So I mean, you can go.
Apparently, mom doesn't need you.
If it breaks, all the guys are so good to me. So, how do you do this to me and not know? I mean, I know everything, and you're just so mad chill. It's like, you know.
Yeah, as you're yelling at me.
It's been tempting. It's been so tempting, Patty. You're like, come on.
Yeah, she's yelling at me for not working on her
Did we
car.
tell her yet? Like, can we do it?
Humble son moment with Jim.
I'm hyped. It's a beautiful car.
You
It
did-
is.
you
It is.
did
Like
well.
I'm like hyped to see her in that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
She looks cool. You know, she looks gangster. She
For
pulls
sure.
up and she could look as cool as she feels.
For sure.
So
This is so unfair. I can't go out and drive it right now. This is like getting a toy for Christmas without batteries, you know?
Nice bar, mom.
want to show them your spoiler that you bought?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I love this thing. You're gonna get it? Okay.
How did you
Picked
pick it
out
up? Where'd you
myself.
find it? You're on.
I found it on, should I?
Yeah.
Yeah, carid.com.
Okay.
So check it out. It's definitely my style. You know, like it's fully my style. I'll match my coupe.
It's beautiful.
I
that's
kinda
dope.
like the purple.
Isn't that
I kinda like it.
Nah, you gotta bang. We gotta spray that
It's
black.
gotta be black.
Nice
Wing
work,
back.
mom.
I'm sorry, I'm still in awe. I can't believe you bought me another car. Is this gonna be a yearly thing?
Shit.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my
You're
God.
welcome.
I'm over here melting, guys. I'm tearing up off the camera.
I got such a good son. I love it.
It's all like give me a tissue, bro.
I was so nervous.
She loves it. Yeah.
I was so nervous. I was so nervous. You'd be like, purple's better, but
No, this is beautiful.
Good,
This
good, good,
is
good.
Beautiful. That's freaking cool.
I don't know. That's pretty dope. Like
What do you think?
That's
Nah, that
freaking
works.
cool.
With the cheetah pads.
That's what we're
Change
doing.
the harnesses
And
and
it's
things
unique.
spin.
I love that. And then
There you go. We found a
Medium.
we found a happy medium.
we did our
Works out.
first mod, Jim. Woo! That is so freaking cool.
Yeah, the cheetah inserts, they work. I like it.
Yeah,
We'll do that.
nice mod.
We just gotta, if we do black harnesses, I think it'll be perfect.
I think that'll be really nice.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So far, this thing is really cool. I love it. I hope you love it.
I love it. I love it.
Fantastic.
I'm still in shock. You know.
You should go to the next drift event without me. You should. I think you'll have fun.
Yeah,
You know everyone there.
I do. I do. But I mean, I like being there with you.
I know. I want to go. But
Although
I'm
I
really-
don't have to worry about you judging me.
I don't judge
Maybe
you.
that's
I
a
don't
good
judge you.
thing.
I am your biggest supporter. But I'm really excited to see how you do in this car because, you know, her other Z3, it worked. And, like, we just threw it on the track because we had it and it worked and we just want to get out there, right?
Right.
And it's part of the process. But it wasn't easy to drift. I'll be the first one to admit that. Like, I could drift it, but it wasn't the easiest. And I don't want to, like, give you, like, any, like, cheat codes here, but this car slides a lot better.
Okay.
So
well,
I'm really excited to see how you do in this car.
All right. Well, me too.
Yeah.
You know. So, you have faith in me?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You can.
You always think I don't, but I do.
No, I know you do. I know you do. I love your reaction afterwards, though, because I know you're proud of me. But yeah.
Look at that, Ma. You're one cool chick. You know that?
Thanks, Shim. You're not so bad.
Oh yeah, thanks. All right. Well, it seems like she loves it, and she hasn't even driven it yet. Wait till she drifts it. She's gonna be obsessed with this thing. But I'm super excited. I'm very excited for her, and this car is just a cool car. I keep saying it, but we'll add the Patty touches on here and go from there. But we are officially ready for drift season, at least for Ma, and well, that's half the battle. So for now, we're gonna end it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Steve.
Have a good night.